WizzKidz TV. We have potatoes hiding in the sand. Can you help me see how many potato heads we're going to find? Alright, let's begin. We found one. That's one potato head. Let's put him in the basket. We found another one. That's two potato heads. Another one. That makes it three potato heads. Let's take the beads out. Three potato heads. I wonder if there's more. We found another potato head. Number 4. Let's keep digging in the beads. We found another one. Do you know how many we found so far? Yes, 5 potato heads. Let's keep digging. We found another one. That's number 6. Let's shake the beads out of the potato head. Number 6. We found another one. Number 7. Let's keep digging. I wonder if there's more. We found another one. Do you know what number this is? Number 8. Excellent. We found 8 potato heads. I wonder how many we're going to find. We found another one. Number 9. Number 10. I wonder if there's more. Number 11. Do you think there's more potato heads? Let's have a quick look. We found another one, number 12. I wonder if there's more potato heads. We found another one, number 13. I wonder if there's more. I think we found all the potato heads. Can you help me sing the potato song? 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, more, 8 potatoes, 9 potatoes, 10 potatoes, more, 11 potatoes, 12 potatoes, 13 potatoes, more. Yeah, we sang the potato song. Let's give them a count. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 potatoes, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, 8 potatoes, 9 potatoes, 10 potatoes, 11 potatoes, 12 potatoes, 13 potatoes. We found 13 potato heads. Thank you so much for helping me find all the potato heads and counting them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.